Mabuhay, Atomians! Ayan. So, hello, Atomians, dito sa PUC. The weather is never a deterrent for all Atomians. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Raquel, Baguio ka lang, Atomians kami. No? Okay, so hello, FB and YouTube viewers. Now, I'm Helen H. Arcilia, Sharon Rose Master at your service from San Jose CAP Center. Naimbag nga daw tayo amin, Baguio CAP Center. Also sa Cebu Dream Center. Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Ayan. So since Atomy is an online global business, then it is imperative for us to go global. Now, who among you would like to see the world free? Ayan, okay. You know what? Since I was young, I really love traveling. I'm very adventurous. Palibhasa ay Sagittarian ako. At meron akong nunal sa talampakan. Wow. And there are also a lot of Filipinos who really love traveling, right? As evidenced by the presence of many Filipinos all around the globe. And that is advantageous for us all Atomians. Lahat ng sulok ng mundo ay meron kang makikitang Atomian. Right? Now, let me introduce myself to you before Atomy. So, I graduated Bachelor of Arts in Political Science in Education at the St. Louis University as a government scholar in 1985. Then, I was hired as an instructor at the Northeastern College, Santiago City, now Santiago City, Isabela. No? That was when I was still single. But when I got married, we moved to Baguio City, where I taught at SLU Girls High and Easter School, Baguio. Until in 1993, we moved to San Jose City, where I joined the government service. Then 1 year thereafter, someone introduced networking business to me. And she told me that there is a free trip to abroad if you meet the quota. Now, because traveling really propels me to do the networking business, the contest lasts for a year. But in less than 1 year, I already qualified for a free trip to Hong Kong. So Hong Kong was the first country that I visited. But unfortunately, that company did not last long due to the influx of so many networking in the Philippines then. But it was good. I was promoted to librarian 1 position, but I was not so qualified because I did not have library units. So I had to enroll my second course in library science, and eventually my masteral studies. And while pursuing my masteral degree, again a friend recruited me to another networking company. And so I recruited all my classmates, my relatives, to this company. And we enjoyed good income in that company. I was receiving 8 times more than my salary. So I was tempted to resign from my government service and also to quit my masteral studies. Had it not been for the advice of my mentor and friend, Dr. Nieves Pagwagan. Sabi niya, huwag kang mag-resign. I will be the one to enroll you and you will just pay me back when you get back. Because at that time, I was in the Ilocos regions doing a series of seminars. Ang sabi niya, huwag kang mag-resign. If you can do it, kung kaya mong pagsabay-sabayin, then do it. But do not resign and do not quit your studies because business comes and it goes, sabi niya. Now, after 2 years of enjoying good income in that company, there was a change in management until nawala na yung company na yan. And I lost my leaders. And our sponsor, nag-abroad na lang. Now, in 2000, after 2 years of enjoying good income in that company, in year 2000 again, there was a medical doctor who recruited me to a prestigious US company selling food supplements. Since my eldest son, who got blinded on the right eye due to pellet gun accident, had recovered his eyesight in just 2 weeks of using the product. So with that company, I was able to become a director and a world team member, visiting a lot of countries like USA, Asian countries, San Francisco, and San Diego, California, and the latest was in Honolulu, Hawaii. But you see, in other companies, even if you are in the top position, you still have to maintain your personal point value and QPV in order to qualify you to get your commissions. But if not, if you do not meet the quota, wala na. Your commission will be passed up to your sponsors. So, nagsawa na rin ako sa pami-maintain. Ayan. Yan. Sabi nga, total nakatapos na ang aking mga anak. They're all successful. My eldest daughter is already in Australia with her family. My second son is in Japan. And my third son is the one here in the Philippines, si Ronnie Braille. I told myself, mag-slow down na ako sa networking and concentrate with my position as department head and as a city librarian. Sabi ko, I will just concentrate. I would like that after my retirement, I will leave a legacy to the local government unit. So we got busy with our programs, going around the 38 barangays of San Jose City, gathering the children for storytelling, hatid dunong program. We even make use of our multi-cab teaching special children whenever meron kaming masusulubong sa daan, tinuturuan namin sila inside the car. Ayan. Even under the heat of the sun, we did home visitations. We also conducted kiddie Bible school every summer to teach children about the Word of God. And we also coordinated with Walter Mart, McDonald's, and Jollibee and used it as their graduation venues to give experience to these less fortunate children. And because of this, for the past years, we had been a consistent awardee from the provincial to the regional and up to the national level. Yeah. In 2016, we won the first place with the national search for the outstanding public libraries with special programs on local history. And in 2019, we also won the first place in the most outstanding public libraries in Malasaki to the different sectors in the community. Now, this is because of our K outreach programs that we did. And then, sabi ko, I think I am quite fulfilled. Pag mag-retire na ako, I will just go from one country to the other visiting my children. Ayan. But then, in 2019, I developed black spots on my face. Sayang, I did not have a close-up picture so that I should have shown you. And then, we had a family gathering in the house of my niece, Jeanette Campos, in La Trinidad, Benguet. And then she was so passionate in introducing to us about Atomy. Then my eldest brother, the one in green, told me, ako naman na ang applying kasi pag mayroong networking, laging ikaw ang applying, sabi niya. So I readily agreed to him. Because at the back of my mind, sabi ko, I will not do the networking side of Atomy. I will just be only a member and a product user of Atomy. But you know what? When I started using the products, the skincare products of Atomy, amazingly, the black spots on my face disappeared in just 2 weeks' time. No? And then when my staff and my friends noticed the transformation in my face, they started ordering the products. So I keep on ordering also the products of Atomy and adding more Atomy products like home care, no? Coffee, skincare, and other products of Atomy. Whenever I go back, I go up to Baguio, Ma'am Jeanette, Ma'am Lourdes, Ma'am Lilia, always invite me to attend the one-day seminar of Atomy. But I always make excuses. Until one time, I was kidnapped and captured and was brought to Baguio Cap Center, no? Where I was captivated with the Atomy company motto, cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. And then again, there I met Sir Ren Barbosa, Ma'am Lorraine Bayer, my idol, some Atomians in Baguio Cap Center. They are very accommodating. So sabi ko, napaka-iba yata itong company na ito. No? Again, the spirit of networking in my blood was awakened. Totoo pala, kapag ikaw ay networker, you are a networker for life. Kasi balikan ka ng ibang networkers. No? At ang sabi na, there are times when I just meet people and say, ikaw ba si Helen Ercilia? I said, yes. Why? Because someone referred us to you. Ayan. So, in October of 2020, being the God chairman of our LGU cooperative, we conducted God seminar on entrepreneurship and stress management. Then we invited 3 companies. And one of them, of course, is Atomy. Then we set up 3 tables for these 3 companies. You know what? The 2 tables of the 2 companies ay nilangaw. Whereas, yung table ng Atomy Company dinumog at almost lahat ng product ay naubos. No? And most importantly, almost lahat ng mga participants registered and they all became my downlines. Ayan. Di ba? So in March of 2020, we were privileged to have been invited to attend the Atomy one-day seminar with Imperial Kim Sung-il as our speaker. I brought some of my leaders and I told them, this is a tip for you Atomians. We have to shrug our shoulders with successful people. You know, when I was shaking hands with him, I told him, Sir Kim, I want to become like you together with my leaders. There is the power of attraction and the power of declaration. Very important po yan. That is why in San Jose Cap Center, we always come together and encourage each other to stay positive always. No? Yan. Now, I started to dream again. This time, not for my children anymore, but for my grandchildren. I want to bring them around the world for free. And also for the children of the world. I wanted to put up an Atomy Hub in San Jose City and also to obtain an Atomy van to pick up for my partners and also to pick up these children from the slum areas and bring them to San Jose Cap Center for free feeding and for free learning. Yan. Para maranasan naman nila doon sa city. Not under the trees anymore, not in the grounds, but at least in the Atomy Hub with the Atomy Company, of course. Of course, this will only come to realization together with my partners if we climb the ladder of success together. Ayan. Kaya dito sa Atomy, teamwork is very, very important. It was also mentioned by my fellow speakers. Sabi nga ni Doc Josie, one of my quarantine Diamond Master, in Atomy, you are pushed up by your partners and pulled up by your sponsors. Di ba? Now, let me share with you my 10-year master plan in Atomy. And this, I have brought this during the pandemic. Early on, I said I was only a mere user of Atomy products. And it was only in June of 2020 when we become active with Atomy. But in September of 2020, with the help of my partners and my sponsors, Ma'am Jeanette, I challenged to become a quarantine sales master. Then in November 8 of 2020, we had a Thanksgiving and the formal opening of our San Jose Cup Center. Yan. And in December 1 to 15, I also wanted my partners to be promoted. So I challenged to become a quarantine diamond master, where I gave birth to 4 quarantine sales masters via cesarean section. Ayan. Okay. Now, in May of 2022, we established Rizal Nueva Ecija Cup Center, and we promoted more of our partners. Then on November 2025, I will challenge to become a Sharon Rose Master. That is what I have wrote in my life scenario. But with God's grace, sa tulong at awa ng Diyos, we did it last October of 2025. Yeah, 25. Okay. No, 2024 rather. So 1 year, yes, 2024. Then on 2026, establishment of cup centers globally. 2027, establishment of cup centers in Cambodia and in Japan. June 2027, will help business partners to become Sharon Rose Masters and challenge to become Star Masters. 2027, establish more cup centers in New Jersey and Europe. November of 2028, monitor and help more of my leaders to become Star Masters. 2029, monitor and help establish cup centers in the Middle East countries and challenge to become Royal Master. Then in November 2030, help establish cup centers in Turkey and in Dubai. And help my leaders to become Royal Masters before I will challenge to become Crown Master. Yan. And in November 2031, I will challenge to become Imperial Master. Yan. A while back, I told you that I have visited a lot of countries with my previous networking companies, no? But except Korea. Talagang inilaan ng Diyos ang Korea for my Atomy business. So we planned with my leaders to go to Korea, bringing along with us many more Imperial Master candidates and see for ourselves the very stage where we will receive the $40 million na naka-forklift. Yan. And this picture was already posted doon sa room ko, in our sala, and in our center. Ayan. Ang sabi ni Van Dyke, some succeed because they are destined to, but most succeed because they are determined to. And with the determination of our group, we were able to successfully challenge with my second Sharon Rose Master. And last June 1 to 15, 2025. And I would like to share with you some of our experiences. Truly in Atomy, teamwork coupled with determination and action makes the dream work. Kailangan natin talagang magtulungan dito sa Atomy. You are really triggered during the challenge to really do the Atomy work. So as challengers, we must be ready with these experiences. Pag walang challenge, we tend to be complacent and relaxed, di ba? But during challenge, it's there where your adrenaline is heightened. You will experience sleepless nights. Sometimes you cannot eat because you keep on contacting people kasi yung nagsabing yes sa'yo ay hindi mo na makontak, no? cannot be reached yung mga iba. Ang daming rason yung iba, right? Can you relate? Di ba? Kaya we have to be prepared with these eventualities during challenge. Now, let me share with you some tips when undergoing challenge. And I will present these tips by using the acronym Be Prayerful in Doing Challenge. Okay? Now, letter B, believe. Sabihin mo nga sa iyong katabi, believe. Yan. We have to believe in yourself. Paano mo mapapaniwala ang partner mo kung ikaw mismo ay hindi naniniwala sa sarili mo? Di ba? Believe in yourself and the rest will fall into place. Letter E, enthusiasm. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, enthusiasm. Yes. Kanino ka sasama? Sa isang very enthusiastic, very passionate, or someone who is sluggish, someone who is apathetic, someone who is KJ. Di ba? Kasi nakakahawa talaga pag very passionate ang isang tao. In the same manner as nakakahawa din ang negativism. That's why you shun away from negative people. Yan. Letter P stands for prayerful. We have to pray before, during, and after the challenge. Kahit anong gawin natin, kung hindi ipahintulot ng Panginoon, wala po tayong magagawa. As it says in Philippians 4:3, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Letter P also stands for preparedness. Of course, wala talagang handang-handa bago mag-challenge. Do not challenge only when you are ready. Because you will only know that you are ready when you challenge. Pero at least naman, before the challenge, the basic ones are prepared. Like for example, your lineage, your challengers, get their commitments. Of course, their commitments will only be tested during the challenge. Diba? Okay. Letter R stands for realization. Realization that you really have to level up. Kailangan from being a consumer to an agent, to a sales master, and DM. You have to realize that you really have to undergo all the 7 masterships in order to be successful in Atomy. And you have also to realize that you cannot do Atomy alone, even how talented you are. Sabi nga ni ating mga leaders, bawal dito ang acne. Kailangan you have to have a team that shares a common goal. Kailangan iisa ang sagwan. Di ba? Ayan. Letter A stands for attitude. Very, very important during challenge. Your attitude and not your aptitude will determine your altitude. No? During challenge, kailangan you have to concentrate, prioritize helping your sales masters who are actively working with you, not your family members na inilagay lang natin doon. No? You will be hired up. Sa sales master siguro pwede, sa diamond master, yes, but for higher mastership, mahihirapan ka na pag ikaw pa rin ang sasalo sa kanila. No? That is why we have to consider that also. Yan. Y stands for you. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, you. You are the most important during the challenge, no? Ikaw ang pinaka-importante. You have to be you have to be fully determined that you really wanted. You have to convince yourself that you really wanted to be promoted para ikaw ay ma-promote talaga dito sa Atomy. You need a clear vision. You have to have a vivid vision. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Giselle, do, must die. No turning back. Yan. And letter E stands for exert all effort. Exhaust all means. If your best is not enough, then exert more effort. Yan. And letter R stands for reflection. You need to consider other alternatives. Kasi mahirap mag-maneuver. Kailangan meron kang plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. During our challenge, especially on my first Sharon Mastership Challenge, when we went to Korea, it was a bit difficult for me to challenge kasi bukod sa nawala yung isang challenger ko, hindi nawala, pero nawawala, no? And we were also going to Korea at that time, no? We have to really see other alternatives. So in challenge, kailangan meron kang more than 4 challengers. Di ba? You have to have 2 challengers on the left, 2 challengers on the right. But if you have more challengers, much better. So that meron kang ibang sasalo kapag in case yung isa ay hindi umobra. Letter F, you have to finish the challenge strong. If you challenge the Star Master, and at the middle of you challenge, you found out na hindi kaya ng grupo, then at least settle down for the next level. Not to Diamond Master or Sales Master. And worst thing, hindi ka na magcha-challenge kasi hindi kaya ng grupo. Okay? Yan. And letter U, you have to understand your partners and your sponsors. Let us not be demanding sa ating mga sponsors. If your sponsors give you a PV support, then that should only be a bonus. Don't add it to your computation. Hindi yung nag-start pa lang yung challenge, you're already soliciting from 300,000 PV from your sponsor. Then go to the higher sponsor, another 300, until you reach the Korean sponsor. Tapos na yung challenge. If you do that, it will stagnate the growth of your group. Okay? So that's why on my second run as a Sharon Rose Master, I told my leaders, don't look up, look down. Ang kalkalin mo, yung lineage mo. Madali lang magbigay ng PV ang sponsor. But it will not add on to your growth of your group. If you want your group to grow, then look down. Yeah. Thank you. Letter L, learn from your experiences. Challenge is a learning experience. It is here where we are trained to become leaders. So if you are willing to learn, then keep on challenging until we master it. And all of us will become imperial masters. Okay? And as soon as you become imperial, that is why in Atomy, you always hear the word, see you at the top. As long as hindi tayo susuko. Okay? And letter I, integrity. Please tell your seatmate, integrity. Very important yan. Remember, Atomy is a long-term business. It's a lifetime business. You have to develop good relationship to your partners. Once your integrity is already removed, pag wala ka ng integridad sa iyong mga partners, they will lose trust on you. They will shun away from you. Mahihirapan kang ma-promote. Okay? So, let's develop this. Another one is, letter N stands for never say no. Always say yes to sponsor. Yan. At ito, please follow your sponsor because your sponsor knows best. The success of your sponsor lies also, your success rather, is also the success of your sponsor. At ito ang babantayan natin. Whenever there is a challenge, be sure that you are a main challenger. You are a major challenger. Huwag extra challenger lang. Mahihirapan kang kumuha ng suporta from your sponsor. Yun ang babantayan po natin. Dapat lagi kang nasa lineage ni sponsor as a major challenger. Okay? And letter D, do it. Just do it. Because action speaks louder than words. Because thinking and thinking, too much thinking paralyzes the doing. Kaya pag sabi nilang challenge, challenge. And letter O stands for overcome fears and obstacles. Remember, ang challenge is not a smooth, cemented road. It's actually a rugged road. So you have to overcome all the fears para maging successful. Do not let fear and obstacle hinder your Atomy success. Okay? Letter I stands for inspiring. Every morning, you have to start viewing motivational videos. Hindi yung news about kung ano-ano. You have to listen to inspirational music and inspirational videos in order to to stay inspired, of course. And letter N, of course, is never give up. There is a story of a miner who keeps on digging the mountain that was identified to have diamonds in it. So first year, started digging the mountain. Second year, third year, fourth year. On the fourth year, he gave up, only to find out that he was only a meter away from his diamonds. Ganon din po sa Atomy. Because Atomy business is not a get rich quick. You have to plan, you have to develop, you have to help your partners in order to find your diamonds. Yan. Okay? And of course, letter G stands for gratefulness. Kailangan lagi tayong mapagpasalamat. In everything, give praise and give thanks. No? Thank all your partners during, after, and even before the challenge. At lahat ng contribution po nila ay mahalaga kasi hindi mabubuo ang piso pag kulang ng isang sentimo. Yan. And letter C, courage. What is the opposite of courage? Fear, no? If you challenge and fear creeps in, overcome that fear and with the passion inside you, no? If fear comes in and says, what if you fail? Then overcome it with your passion and say, what if I succeed? What if I fly? When you challenge and you fail, then try to always keep on trying to challenge. You get up and challenge again. As the song says, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage will appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. So fellow Atomians, let's keep on challenging until we reach the top and make Imperial